Welcome back! Vegetarian is easy and delicious.
Do you like to eat vermicelli? Vermicelli has a smooth and chewy texture with a mild taste that easily absorbs broth. It pairs well with various seasonings and ingredients, offering versatile flavors. When cooked, it turns translucent with a refreshing bite, often used in stir-fries or soups. Ingredients: vermicelli, glass noodle, cabbage, ginger, eggs, bell pepper. Before stir-frying, soak vermicelli in warm water 60 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes until semi-transparent and slightly soft to prevent mushiness. If using cold water, extend soaking to 20 to 30 minutes for a firmer texture, ideal for those who prefer chewiness. Drain and set aside. You can also chop up some celery leaves or cilantro in advance and sprinkle them over the stir-fried vermicelli as a garnish. It adds a fragrant aroma and makes the dish look even more appetizing. Stir-frying vermicelli with minced ginger adds a warm, spicy aroma, removes any unwanted odors, and enhances the overall umami flavor. Ginger also aids digestion, making the dish more enjoyable and easier on the stomach. Sliced bell peppers add a crisp, refreshing texture and natural sweetness to stir-fried vermicelli. Stir-frying over high heat preserves the bell pepper's vibrant color and slight charred aroma, contrasting with the vermicelli's softness. The pepper's freshness balances richness, making the dish light and appetizing. Shredded cabbage adds a tender, crisp texture and mild sweetness, complementing the vermicelli's silkiness. Stir-frying allows the cabbage's savory juices to infuse into the vermicelli, enriching the flavor. The cabbage's freshness cuts through richness, making the dish light and balanced. Cabbage is rich in vitamin C and dietary fiber, which helps boost immunity and improve digestion. Beat some eggs and set aside. Stir-fried vermicelli with scrambled eggs offers balanced nutrition, providing quality protein and carbohydrates. The golden egg flakes paired with translucent vermicelli create an appealing visual contrast. The tenderness of eggs and the chewiness of vermicelli deliver a satisfying textural contrast. Pour the beaten egg mixture into the pan. Stir-fry until just set for the most tender and delicious scrambled eggs. Pour the egg mixture into the pan and cook until the bottom sets. Then chop it into pieces and set aside. Eggs are rich in high-quality protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids required by the human body. The lecithin and choline in egg yolks support brain development and enhance memory. Packed with vitamins A, D, and B complex, they benefit eye, bone, and metabolic health. Moderate consumption provides healthy fats, though cholesterol intake should be monitored. Use the same wok and stir-fry chopped ginger. Once the ginger is stir-fried until fragrant, add the cabbage and bell peppers to stir-fry together. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon mushroom powder. Add about 100 milliliters water, just enough to cover ingredients when stir-frying. Simmer for 2 minutes over medium heat for vermicelli to absorb broth. Too much water makes it mushy, too little causes sticking. Add water gradually in small amounts. Add vermicelli and stir fry. Add soy sauce and dark soy sauce for seasoning and color, but I'm using dry tossed sauce, which already includes both. Vermicelli is slippery. Using a fork to stir fry makes it easier to handle. Look, the vermicelli has soaked up all the broth perfectly. When vermicelli fully absorbs the broth, it becomes plump and flavorful, delivering rich layers of taste in every bite. Perfectly cooked vermicelli maintains its chewiness while trapping the savory sauce, making it incredibly satisfying. The magic of this dish lies in how humble ingredients transform by soaking up the delicious broth. Mix fried egg and fried vermicelli is ready to go. Fresh cilantro garnish would make it absolutely perfect. See, this cabbage stir-fried vermicelli is super easy, simple yet so satisfying to dig in. Vermicelli mung bean noodles is relatively low in calories, about 350 kcal per 100 grams dry weight, but expands when cooked, reducing actual calorie intake. Its main component is carbohydrates with minimal fat 1%, ideal for light diets. Vermicelli has a medium glycemic index G. Pairing with protein, vegetables balances blood sugar response. One serving of stir-fried vermicelli to 100 grams cooked is roughly 200 to 250 kilocalories, varying by ingredients and oil used. Compared to rice noodles, it's lower in calories per portion, but watch sauce additions for hidden calories. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 5,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I have just started to be vegan for a few months. I have also been trying to learn simple vegetarian recipes. I found that vegetarian food is not only healthy and delicious, but also very easy to make. If you are a vegan beginner like me, let's learn to cook vegetarian food together. I'm truly grateful to friends who shared their thoughts on my use of names like vegetarian fish or vegetarian chicken for plant-based dishes in my videos. I've reflected on this for a long time and would like to share my perspective. These names are simply meant to help meat eaters understand and accept vegetarian food more easily, as the dishes are still fundamentally made from plant-based ingredients like tofu or wheat gluten. As long as one does not cling to the idea of actual meat or harbor any intention of killing, it does not contradict the essence of vegetarianism. Buddhism teaches that a pure mind brings purity to all things. What truly matters is the intention behind the practice, not the surface-level naming. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.